And my dear brothers and sisters, I am Miss Anushmita Dutta of Class 4 of Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya NAMSAI. Today I am here to present a book review on the book Stories of Akbar and Birbal. This book consists 60 stories which are unique and thought-provoking. In today's world, more and more books are being published every day, but this book will always attract the minds of young and old. Akbar and Birbal stories are very popular in this country today also. Akbar was one of the greatest Mughal emperor India had. He was kind, good, appreciated and encouraged art. Birbal was one of the gems he had in his court. Akbar always depended on Birbal in solving complex issues. Akbar respected Birbal for his wit and wisdom. Birbal, in his part, was a kind man and always helped people with their problems. One of my favorite story is how he trapped a thief using a magic bamboo. The first story of the book is Akbar and Birbal's first meeting. Once Akbar was lost in the forest and came to an intersection with 3 roads. Not knowing which led back to his city, he saw a young man coming down from one of the roads. And the manner of the young man's reply endeared him, and the emperor who offered him a place in his court. One day, Birbal was asked to count the crows of the city of Agra. Birbal told that he would tell the answer the next day. And in the next day, Birbal told, before everybody, he claimed that there are 47,685 crows in the city of Agra. Akbar and the court were astonished and asked, "How can you be so sure?" Birbal replied that I have counted all the crows that are in the city of Agra, and if you have any doubt, you can ask it yourself. You can count it yourself and prove that I am correct or not. Then Akbar realized his mistake and acknowledged his intelligence. Akbar and Birbal's story are relevant today also, and these tales are so much fun. These tales not only are for fun, but also bring smile to reader's face, and also let them think of the situations differently. And these tales also show us that how we can solve problems easily only by looking at the pictures differently. Thank you.